Hey guys, I bought one of the most durable RC cars on the market. And that's supposed to be this little guy. So this is a 1/16 scale buggy as you can see, but this thing should be very fast and should be very durable. So in today's video we are going to find out if it really is. Inside this box should be one of the most fast 1/16 RC car and one of the most durable ones. What's inside here? Well, that's this. This is an MJX 16207 and this thing should be amazing. It took me a while to buy one, but finally I've got one and I just want to give you my opinion about this little car. So let's start with the packaging. I hate this. This is just a very simple styrofoam case and your room will be covered in tiny pieces of it. I hate that. Another thing, the car does not fit inside the box. What they actually did, they made some cutouts to make the wheels fit inside this box, so we're off with a bad start. But let me get everything out of the box and show you what's inside here. I'm halfway unpacking this car and look at this, the table is already covered in tiny pieces of the box. I hate that. Inside the box you will find the car, so this is a MJX Hyper Go 16207. I would put a link down below to this car so you can check it out for yourself. But what's inside my box? I've got two bodies, I've got some screws, I've got a wheelie bar, I've got a wing, some tools, a charger and some spare body clips, and we've got the instructions manual and we've got the transmitter. So the transmitter, it takes two AA's, you need to supply those of your own. You've got a button over here, but I'm not sure what it does yet, so we have to find out. So you've got your steering wheel, your throttle, it's capable of one-hand driving and actually it's got a foam wheel, so I really like that. So this is your on-off button, the first position is 70% throttle and the second one is 100% throttle. You've got your steering trim and your throttle trim and that's about it. Here is the car and the car really looks amazing if you ask me. Until now everything feels very sturdy and very tough and I already in love with this little car. So in the front you've got oil shocks, the same in the rear of course, and you've got very chunky CVDs. So these are much thicker than other cars and I already like that. So what I noticed is that the arms are very flexible as you can see, and that's a plus I think. Why? If you're hitting an obstacle or you crash the car, this probably will flex and probably won't break, so that's a good start of this car. So also in the front you've got a metal front bumper and you've got hex hardware throughout the car. If you look underneath the car you can see a plastic chassis, and I like plastic. Why? Plastic will flex and aluminium will bend, so therefore I like plastic. So on the side you can see some little retainers that holds the body in place, so that's a plus also. And in the rear you've got a metal piece that's holding the pins that are carrying the arms. So that's a very nice feature. And if we look at the wing, so the wing is made of a very flexible material and also probably it will flex and don't break. So let's get the body off and see what's under there. Underneath the body you can find a brushless setup. So here is your separate receiver, and I like separate receivers. If you break this one or you want to upgrade it, so this is very easily to change for another one, so that's a big plus. So this is your ESC with your on-off switch right over there. You've got a brushless motor. I'm not sure about the kV, but I will put it inside the screen right now. You've got a heatsink on it and a fan, and this is your 3S battery. So you've got a tiny steering servo mounted right over there, and everything looks pretty neat underneath here. Oh, and I can see that the steering servo is of course a 3-wire, and that's a thumbs up. So everything looks very nice. So it's got ball bearings throughout the car. It's got metal drive lines. It's got metal gears. We've got a very thick drive shaft, as you can see probably. And this thing already looks superb. So let me plug in the battery and put some batteries inside the transmitter and show you when it's on. The car is powered on and everything is functional. So steering wise, Well, the steering servo is pretty fast, but its lack of power. Just look at this, only with a tiny bit of resistance, it's not doing anything. So I don't like that servo, but it is what it is. So power-wise, let's start with 70% and then I will switch to 100%. So 70%, 100. There's a noticeable difference between the 70 and 100%, so that's a good plus if you are a beginner in this, so that's very nice. So there's only one thing left to do, and that's take it outside for a drive. So guys, we're on the beach, and the first thing we're going to do is speed run it. The first one will be 70% and the second one will be 100% throttle. So let's go! On 70% throttle we hit the 48 km an hour, so let's do 100%. Now we hit the 53 km an hour. Well, that's a pretty decent speed on this loose surface. So now it's time to do some bashing. That was the driving with the MJX 16207 or the MJX Hyper Go. I will put the link down below so you can check it out for yourself. But overall I really like this car. Of course there are a couple of things what I really don't like, and that's the servo. So this servo is just too weak and it's got just no power. So I really suggest to upgrade the servo. And what I really don't like is the battery, because you cannot plug it into your standard battery balance board, or you need to buy a separate adapter cable to make it work. But overall I really like this car. You can have tons of fun with it. It's fast, it's durable, and this thing is just a winner if you ask me. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.